space. It surrounds us. It intrigues us. It comforts us. It creates us. It is us. We are made of stardust. Someone once said to me, "Yes, we are small and insignificant, but in the whole universe, this is the one place where we experience the present." We look up into the night sky, and we see death. Stars that have died. Stars that once were. Light takes time to travel, so we experience the past in the present. Stars are ghosts. But we also see life. Next time you go to the beach or a lake, grab a handful of sand. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on Earth. Each of these stars is a sun. Suns that watch over other worlds, just as ours does to us. We are so small in the universe. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, it's fueled our imagination for years. What happened? To some, it has become irrelevant. We got to the moon. So what? We are done in space. But that's not true. There are thousands of opportunities just waiting for us. The origins of the universe, life existing on other planets, and even hexagon-shaped storm on Saturn. The United States government has been drastically reducing the funding for this important part of our lives. When the shuttle missions were cancelled, another, less famous program was cut as well. This was known as Constellation. The moon, the first step to Mars, and beyond. The plan was to go back to the moon no later than 2020 to further prepare human exploration of Mars. However, this was cut, and many dreams were lost because of limited funding. Now hopes for Mars will be pushed to 2030 or further. The United States used to be the leading nation in subatomic particle research. Now that title goes to the Hadron Particle Collider at CERN. Less than 1% of government funding goes to NASA. That's like having a bag of mini marshmallows and only giving 3.5 to NASA, and then expecting them to be fully functional. No, it does not work like that. Many more programs have been cancelled, and many dreams and ideas ignored, because there is no money. Every once in a while, you come across something on the internet that says something along the lines of, "It's not important that they are spending all your tax dollars, or even that you can't get something from nothing. But it is important. Space has and always will be a significant part of who we are. Our culture, our dreams, our lives' work, our ambitions, our stories, our music, our art. The stars helped sailors navigate the dark waters of the oceans and seas. NASA developed firefighting equipment, smoke detectors, and freeze-dried food, and many other everyday necessities. NASA helps develop the newest, fastest aircraft. They have affected our lives so much, from weather forecasting to structural computer software used by engineers to design Cadillacs and roller coasters. What we do in space is much more than just science. NASA's Dr. Howard Ross. Nebulae, the beginning of stars. Stars form together when dense gas and dust become compressed. Some spend the first part of their lives in their interstellar nurseries. Supernovae are exploding stars that go out with a bang, quite literally, to thrust all of their guts in every direction, expelling gas and nutrients that later form stars and planets. NASA will be completing a mission to an asteroid in the near future to collect the sample and other data and to place it in lunar orbit. This operation is in effect to protect our planet, to advance exploration capabilities and technologies for human spaceflight, to learn how to best utilize space resources. I know that some of you are rolling your eyes when I said to protect the planet, but it could be a serious issue. More than 90% of all life went extinct due to an impact. The asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. NASA is also preparing to launch a solar sail demonstrator on Falcon 9 in 2015. Solar sails will now be used more and more often. Huge, ultra-thin sails unfurling in space that use the pressure of sunlight to move. Without NASA, we would never be able to answer deep questions, such as how the universe works, how life started. Is there life on other planets? What is dark energy? Dark matter? Are there hidden dimensions? Is time travel possible? Teleportation? The only way we will ever know is if we support NASA. I'm mad about the underfunding of NASA. Are you? You can help. Spread the word and inspire your friends and family. Exploit the false rumors and emphasize the truth. NASA is funded less than 1% of the tax dollar. And for the really daring, write to Congress and even the President. Explain why it is important to keep this fundamental program and how it impacts our lives. I will place the link in the description. Please help us get more funding for NASA. This won't change unless we, the people, do something about it. Space is here. Space is there. Space is everything, and everything is everywhere. So protect what we know. Don't fear what we don't. Yes, you are one, but what you do, they won't. You can make a difference. It just takes one soul, one gesture, one chance. It's already taking its toll.